This is only the second time we've done this intro. Are you ready? You guys already know my friend Jeanette. She's come over to our house for the holidays, and she is preparing her second dish of the day, and it's called what?
Scotch eggs.
And how did you come to know this recipe?
So this is a meal that my dad made for us when we were kids as special occasions. Easter, Christmas.
So we're going to dedicate this video to her father. And yes, these are pajamas. I love these pajamas. I love that she cooks in pajamas. Can you believe that? All right, let me get out of the way and let her go.
All right, so this recipe calls for a dozen hard-boiled eggs. It calls for breadcrumbs. Now, we're switching out breadcrumbs this time for pork skins. So we're trying to make this a little more keto-friendly. So we also have Italian seasoning, 2 eggs, which we're going to use for an egg wash, and some flour, and sausage, which I've just gone with some mild country sausage. Okay, so I just wanted to show that sausage roll that I have. I'm portioning this up into 12 equal portions. So I have 12 eggs. So touching raw meat is like my favoriteest thing ever. Kidding. So I basically just split the roll in half, and then I'm splitting it in thirds, and then again breaking it into thirds again, so that I'll have a portion for each egg. If you find that you don't have enough sausage meat to cover the egg fully, then you need to buy a little bit more meat. So it just depends on what you buy. Okay, so we had mentioned we use Italian seasoning. So my recipe actually calls for sage, but I use Italian dressing usually. So we're using Italian seasoning within our pork rinds here. So, and I'm just eyeballing it, so based on how much I like. To start, a trick my dad taught me was to use this cold water on your hands when you're wrapping the sausage. Then the sausage doesn't stick to your fingers. So whether you do it beside the sink and keep your hands wet, either way, the cold water helps. So you take your egg, roll it in the flour, and then you're going to take one of your sausages that you've got evened out into rounds here. And this is why I've got the cold water on my hands. I'm going to press it down flat into a patty. And I'm going to put the egg in the center. And I'm going to wrap that sausage around the egg. Okay, trying to get as much of the holes covered and met as possible. So once we're done, we're going to bake these at 350 for 30 to 45 minutes, depending on your oven. Basically, we're just cooking the sausage. The eggs are already cooked, so that's all we're doing. All right, so the eggs are out of the oven. We did 400 degrees, 35 minutes. The crust is crisping up a little bit. With the pork rinds, it took a little bit longer. They're a little bit juicy, so. All right.
Now my friend Jeanette, she just starts without me, so go ahead. Go ahead, I'll watch you eat. Why bother trying to eat with you?
Right?
Right. I want that one right there. Get the outside
Okay.
crust. Right, here we go. We have plenty here. It's called, what's it called again?
Scotch eggs.
Scotch eggs. All right. I'm sure some of you out there are going to tell us we made them wrong. This is how our family makes them. They normally make it with Italian breadcrumbs. And if you do, don't use the Italian seasoning then. You already have it in your breadcrumbs. All right? Love you guys. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.